Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. The ratio of compound interest for 3 years and SI for 1 year for a fixed amount at a rate of R% is 3.64. What is the value of R? So we have been given that the ratio of CI for 3 years and SI for 1 year for a fixed amount at a rate of R% is 3.64. We have to find out what is the value of R. For that, what we will do, let us say since it is for fixed amount, the simple interest will be the same for the first year but for both SI and CI. So I'll write down this is SI part, this is CI. Let's compare them. This is year 1, year 2 and year 3. Okay. Now let's go and write down what will happen for the first year. The first year the simple interest will be X, let us say, then compound interest will be X. For the second year the simple interest will be X, compound interest will be X into 1 plus R by 100. If you are not clear about this, how this came, I will explain you at the end of this video how we got X into 1 plus R by 100. Now let's go to the third year. Simple interest will remain as same, but the compound interest will be X into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Now they said that simple interest for 1 year, that means we are talking about this part, and the ratio of CI for 3 years, so that means I have to club them all this and divide by whatever we have for SI. We should get the ratio equal to 3.64. So let's write down what we have is CI for 3 divided by SI for 1 equal to 3.64. That means X into CI we are writing down first, X into 1 plus R by 100 whole square, that is third year interest. Second year interest is X into 1 plus R by 100, and the first year interest is X divided by X is equal to 3.64. Can I cancel X on both of them? Then I will have 1 plus R by 100 whole square plus 1 plus R by 100 plus 1 equal to 3.64. Now what I will do, I'll take 1 plus R by 100 equal to another variable Z, so that we can solve this quadratic equation. Let's go to the next step. We will write down Z square plus Z plus 1 equal to 3.64, or can I write down Z square plus Z minus 2.64 equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle terms. We can write it as Z plus 2.2 into Z minus 1.2 equal to 0. Z cannot be negative, so that means Z equal to 1.2. Now let's go and write down what is the meaning of that. 1.2 is 120 by 100 is equal to, substituting back, 1 plus R by 100. Simplify this, you will get 20 by 100 equal to R by 100, or we get R equal to 20%. Now the correct option here is 20%. Now if you did not get why the compound interest when you go to the second year is, if simple interest is X, why it is X into 1 plus R by 100, let me take couple of minutes and try to explain you that. If you are okay with that concept, you can leave this video. You know that R equal to 20% because we have a quadratic equation. We solved it and substituted back the Z equal to 1 plus R by 100 and we got R equal to 20%. Let us take a simple example to understand this concept, that our fixed amount is equal to 1000 rupees. And let us say that R is 10%. Let us check now how SI and CI is changing. Let's put down here year. We'll write down SI here and we'll write down CI. Also we'll write down amount. This is our principal. Okay. So first year, when you go to compound interest, principal will be different, right? So we'll write down here. Yes, 1 minute. I'll just change this a little bit. we will have, this is for CI and this is for SI. Okay, let us take first year. When we go to the first year, SI will be nothing but PTR by 100, that is 1000 into 1 year into 10 divided by 100, which is equal to 2 zeros are gone, we got 100. Now compound interest also for the first year will be 100 only, we know that. Let's go to the second year. When I go to the second year, the SI will remain the same as 100. Now let's go here and see for the second year what is our principal. Our principal is 1000 plus 100, which is equal to 1100. And what is our compound interest for second year? That is equal to P 1100 into T, that is 1, into R divided by 100. Now if you observe carefully, this is nothing but equal to 1000 into 10 by 100 plus 10 in 100 into 10 by 100. I can write 1100 as 1000 plus 100. Now what you observe is, you get whatever the interest you got earlier, that 100 as it is, and in addition to that you are getting 10 extra. What is this 10 extra? Nothing but 10% of your earlier interest. Now you go to the third year, you will check if you can check this. The first year interest will be 100, next year interest will be 110, third year interest will be 121. It goes on. It is always 10% more than the earlier year. So irrespective of, if you know it is a fixed sum, then the compound interest always from one year to another year increases by that percentage of rate of interest, or R%. So this will help us when we go back and we'll write down first SI equal to X, then compound interest for first year is X, but second year it is X into 1 plus R by 100. So that's how we get to know that the compound interest increases year by year at the rate of R%. So if you are not interested to find out the fixed amount, you are interested only to find out the R, you can directly take SI equal to X and then go to the CI. Second year will be X into 1 plus R by 100. Third year will be X into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. That's how we can solve this problem. Again, this is another interesting example shared by one of our friend. I just thought of sharing that with you. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.